My new layout is going to have a line that is shared by both Norfolk Southern and CSX. Now, I've got plenty of NS power, but I need to build up my CSX power, and Broadway Limited just released runs of their AC6000 and ES44s, and I snagged them, and I even got my first CSX Heritage scheme. Let's take a look at these.
This video is brought to you by Model Railroad Academy. Model Railroad Academy is your online resource for model railroad instructions, ideas, and information, with loads of tutorials and articles for model railroaders of every skill level. One of my personal favorites is Alan Keller's Great Model Railroads series. It is just so much fun to look at all of these different model railroads from all of these different great model railroaders and just get inspiration from those. Plus, you can find tutorials on everything from bench work to electronics to scenery, all sorts of things there. The first 1,000 people to sign up at the link in the description below will get a full year of premium membership to Model Railroad Academy for $1.49.
Hey everybody, my name is Jimmy. Welcome to Coffee and Trains. Today I'm just drinking some Sam's Club brand Colombian coffee. Really good stuff, just plain and simple. If you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking and have it featured just like these guys right here, you can do that in the comments below, and who knows, you might see your name pop up on an episode of Coffee and Trains. Cheers, guys. Okay, let's start with the AC6000. The AC6000 was built by GE between 1995 and 2001. The 6,000 in their name is for the 6,000 horsepower they produce. Yeah, that's a lot. UP and CSX were the two big buyers of these, but 8 of these were also sold to BHP Iron Ore in Australia, which hauled the world's heaviest and longest train at nearly 100,000 tons, spread across 682 cars at a length of 7.3 kilometers, or 4.5 miles for those of us in the States. That train was hauled for 171 miles. BS, to you Aussies who watch the channel, Broadway Limited did make these in a BHP Iron Ore livery as well. The model is an exquisitely detailed model that looks fantastic, and it has all the detail that you would expect from Broadway Limited. Separately applied details, nice crisp paint lines, and some amazing sound, especially for N-scale. Let's take a listen. Okay, now let's talk about the ES44. Now you have seen these on my layout before from Broadway Limited and the similar ET44 from Scale Trains. These are the quintessential modern North American diesel, and the Baltimore and Ohio Heritage paint scheme really pops on this. I actually really like the way that CSX designed their heritage schemes, with the CSX front transitioning to the paint scheme on the back 2/3 of the locomotive. As usual, you can expect plenty of detail just like the AC6000, and this is just a really nice locomotive, and let's take a listen to some of its sounds.
which is on the north end, might be against you, so go out, look out for switches.
Obviously, I don't have my old layout to run it on anymore, but I do have phase 1 of my new layout to run these on. So let's go ahead and see these locomotives in action. These are going to be the first locomotives that you see running on this. Let's take a look. My blue and yellow fleet is growing and I'm really enjoying it. It's nice studying a new railroad that differs in the way they operate and what they operate. You're probably going to see a lot more CSX coming soon. Check out some of these model railroad businesses.
Model Railway Backshop is a great place if you're looking for a quality paint job for your old or new brass model locomotive. If you're looking to get that brass model weathered, you can get that done too. Right now, you can get 10% off any brass model painting and weathering job by using the promo code NMRA10. Check them out at modelrailwaybackshop.com. Scaletree.com. Scaletree.com makes hero and forest trees for HO and N scale. They also do custom trees for custom orders. Check them out at scaletree.com.
You can check out some other GE locomotives I have reviewed here. Big thank you to Model Railroad Academy for sponsoring this video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.